Tecno has a consistently growing smartphone lineup. The new Camon 19 Pro just dropped by the office for a full, in-depth review. The Camon family is Tecno's flagship line. It consists of phones with bigger displays and an increased focus on camera features and performance. The Camon 19 Pro is no exception, with an OIS-enabled 64MP main snapper with laser autofocus and a 50MP 2x telephoto camera on the back. Tecno mainly targets developing countries, which is why it has a different approach to its smartphones than the mainstream makers. The Camon series bring large screens and batteries, with a good camera experience and satisfying performance on the cheap. The price is kept even lower thanks to pre-installed partner apps and baked-in ads within the interface. This might be a deal-breaker for some, but for others, a welcome trade-off they'd gladly make. Tecno Camon 19 Pro specs at a glance. The Camon 19 Pro has plenty going for it beyond what we already mentioned. Its large 6.8-inch display has a 120Hz resolution. Though, unlike the Camon 18 Premier, it's just an LCD rather than an OLED. You also get a large 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging and a decently powerful MediaTek Helio G96 chipset. It should be noted that a Camon 19 Pro 5G exists as well. It is technically a different device, but it basically shares almost all of its specs with the regular Camon 19 Pro with a chipset swap to the Dimensity 810 5G. So, most of the observations we make in this review will also apply to the Camon 19 Pro 5G. Another important point of clarification here is that the older Camon 18 Premier is not necessarily a great comparison point for the Camon 19 Pro. The Premier is a more expensive phone, allowing it to have some niceties like the AMOLED panel or the gimbal-stabilized 12MP ultra-wide camera. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro is a well-rounded budget phone. However, it fails to impress or excel in any particular department. Seeing how it is part of the Camon line, a greater focus on camera hardware and performance is sort of implied. Indeed, the Camon 19 Pro offers a telephoto camera which is a rarity at its price range. This particular one even performs quite well. Though, having said that, we are not sure that it is that superior over a 2x digital zoom with a modern high-resolution quad-Bayer camera, which undermines its added value in practical terms quite a bit. The unfortunate reality is that the Camon 19 Pro is faced with many appealing competitors on the current market and just fails to outshine most of them in any real way. That being said, it all ultimately comes down to pricing. If the Camon 19 Pro is a good deal or on a great promo in your home market, then you shouldn't hesitate too much to pick one up. If that's not the case, definitely shop around more.